Hello everyone, this is Hailey from Airkey. Today we will introduce a prefabricated modular cleanroom for pharmaceutical manufacturing. It is a 150 square meter modular cleanroom, but we only pre-assembled the Class B filling room, which is the most critical part of this cleanroom. This freestanding modular cleanroom will be built in a sterile liquid plant for animal drugs. It integrates 50mm and 75mm cleanroom wall panels. They are flush mounted and smooth, which are in accordance with the GMP regulations. This modular cleanroom is equipped with an intelligent monitoring system, which can display real-time temperature, humidity, pressure, and the real-time particle count. Now let's take a tour from the change room to the filling room. This change room has interlocking system with countdown mechanism to prevent cross-contamination. To grant effective air exhaust, this door is equipped with a diffuser vent so that the change room will have stable air pressure. These cleanroom wall panels also act as an air return panel. They are flush mounted and it can deliver return air into the HVAC system. This will avoid the intruding of air risers, but also provide return air to maintain a stable temperature and humidity inside the modular cleanroom. The cleanroom ceilings are covered with ceiling panels, panel lights, and also the fan filter units. They can provide Class B clean class inside the modular cleanroom to provide a clean environment for effective production of animal drugs. This modular cleanroom is built to comply with USFDA, Health Canada, and the EMA regulations, as well as the ISO 14644. That's all for today's introduction of modular cleanroom for pharmaceutical manufacturing. If you have any interest, feel free to contact us. Bye-bye.